Hi everyone, this video is from Screen Protector 88. This is a video to teach people how to install a screen protector tempered glass for iPhone 15 Pro Max dummy. It applies to other 15 Pro also. The method is the same. This is the screen protector. Wet wipe, dust absorber, and microfiber cloth. I have other video that teach you how to use the guide sticker method. I'm not using the guide sticker method. My method is for me is I feel more easier. It's up to you. Okay, right now I show you the dummy. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max dummy. Like real, right? Okay. Round, I will take out the microfiber cloth. Now I will wipe the screen of the dummy. Make sure there's no dust. Sometimes there's a bit of dust there. You can use the dust absorber sticker to further stick out the dust. This is the dust absorber sticker. Don't throw away the sticker yet. Later you may want to use it again. Now take out the screen protector. Sometimes there's some dust on the back of the screen protector. Make sure there's no dust. Because the method that I use require you not to have any dust behind. Better. Okay, this is the back, the back. Okay, now put here first. Take a look at the screen again. There's a bit of dust again. Make sure there's no dust. Okay, things should be okay. This one, tempered glass front clear screen protector. Peel for part of it. This is the top. Align with the top of the screen. Okay, now look at the bottom. You should be able to fit nicely. You see the shape. It will be nicely aligned. If it's nicely aligned, slowly, use your thumb. Peel off the bottom. Like that. Yep, it's done already. Very easy, right? This is the video to teach you how to put the iPhone 15 Pro Max front clear tempered glass screen protector. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Later I will show you, this is the back. Okay, later I will show you other video for my how my case will look like, etc.